At SafetyQuip, we're often asked for thermal winter work gloves. However, so many people in a workplace now use a touchscreen, maybe an iPad or maybe a touchscreen in a piece of machinery, and they find that the winter glove is simply too thick to allow them to use the touchscreen. You know, it doesn't physically work. We now have a glove that is a thermal work glove. It provides warmth, but it's touchscreen compatible. The glove is the ProSense touchscreen compatible sand grip work glove. It's part of the ProChoice family of safety gear. Now the warmth in the glove is provided by a black acrylic liner. There's a sand grip on the palm. It provides excellent grip. You'll notice the grey section on the back of the hand. That's a nitrile coating as well. It's a 360-degree coating. So if you're handling a lot of damp, wet objects, this provides excellent liquid protection. But importantly, the glove is compatible with an iPad or various other touchscreens. Contact your local SafetyQuip branch for further information. We'd love to help out.